Hey everybody, here's one of the demonstrations that I would have been doing in the classroom if this had been a face-to-face class. Current COVID-19 pandemic has changed how we teach, so I'm recording some of my demonstrations to give you the ability to experience information in the same way, or at least as similar as possible to the way it would be if we were in a classroom together. Proteins and denaturing. Every protein, and this includes all the enzymes since they're a form of protein, has an optimum set of conditions where it is the best at doing its job. I'm talking about conditions like the temperature, the pH, the salt concentration, stuff like that. At the optimum conditions, protein has a natural shape. And if you move that protein to different conditions, the shape of that protein can change. Change a protein from its natural shape, you have denatured that protein, and then it stops working. We are all familiar with what happens when you get an egg hot, but have you ever wondered why that happens? Eggs are full of proteins called albumins that are naturally round in shape. Because they are roundish, they can easily move past each other. That's why a raw egg white is a thick liquid. The molecules can move past each other. Albumins are held in this rounded shape by both weak bonds, like the hydrogen bonds that cause secondary structure, and stronger covalent bonds between different parts of the protein. These stronger bonds are found in side chain interactions, things like disulfide bridges. They help form the tertiary structure of the protein. That's the 3D shape, the overall 3D shape of the entire polypeptide chain, entire chain of amino acids. When we heat an egg up to fry it, what we are doing is making the molecules in the albumin vibrate so violently that they unwind. Those bonds break and the chain unwinds. The amino acids that were making side chain interactions between different parts of their own protein molecule then start forming bonds with other albumin molecules that are unwound. The denatured albumins all stick together, forming a big woven mat of protein fibers. You can't unfry an egg because each denatured albumin is stuck to many other denatured albumins. Another way to denature a protein is to put it in a different pH than it is used to. This will chemically break the bonds that are holding its shape. Let's again use the example of albumin. I'm going to put an egg into a strong acid. So normally, if I was in the lab, I would be using a beaker for this, so it looks extra sciencey. And I don't have a beaker at the house, so I'm going to use a glass pie pan. And yeah, it's a strong acid. And let's see what happens. Just let it run. It's that fast.
Yeah.
And you can see this egg is cooking in acid. The egg white is turning from a liquid to a solid just as if we had applied heat, because the albumin again is unwinding and hooking to other denatured albumin molecules, forming a network, a mat of protein.